Hello guys, this is Joe speaking. Welcome to my test video for my very own brand new camcorder called Minoria, way to pronounce it. And today we're saving up memory on my Minoria camcorder right now. So at the moment I'm currently saving food reviews, which I'm on right now, and I'm currently exporting not one, not two, but 5 my projects right now to speak, and this one will be coming up next. Let me get this camcorder started, and we'll get to that right now. This is not 60 frames per second, so that's bad news. However, we're saving up memory for this video, however, because this video was supposed to be 60 frames, but that was a good thing we mentioned it. This camcorder came out in 2018. However, this is not 60 frames per second, and this is I'm new to this camcorder, by the way, and that is not 4K. Watch this, my Dan Libby. So, thank you for giving me that camcorder. So, there you go. And yeah, just let you know and everything. And currently editing food reviews, as you all know, so I'm not in the 204s anymore, so there you go. We're going to test this out and see what we got. As soon as we get done with this testing, recording, then all you have to do now is complete the video and bam! Split this down, just in case we're doing it anyway. I don't want to get all, say, memory spoiled or anything, so I'll be right there with you. Lunchables. Crackers. No. It's like Emma when he did film his own home videos on Hamill's 4 episodes, you know? Alaska! On Hamill's 4 farm episode, you know what I mean? But yeah, I was the worst imitation of Emma, by the way. But that's just me. But anyway, I don't want to do this anyway, but, you know, that's just me. One more thing before I mention this up, and we got Christmas cookies out of the way. No. Yeah, and besides, I'm making this all up, you know. By the way, this is not 4K, and I mentioned this before, because I'm filming this on a 1080p camcorder, you know. Just want to let you know and all. And, yeah, just want to let you know and all. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Copy and paste, and, yeah. And everything else. But anyway. Okay, now what we need to do now is get the Santa's cookies and episode in there. Paste that video, yeah. I have to change the titles first. And let's go ahead and get the Santa's cookies and changing title into Christmas cookies now. There. And I'm changing that tile to with there. Now let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Do we have the encrypt in this? Yep. Done. Done. Let's get this out of the way. And save this as Food Reviews episode 240. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Do we have the ingredients ready? Yep, done. Everything's done. 241. Save. There. And I'm not going to do anything to come right back, however. Let me just go ahead and switch it up to Fears. This is a test, but, you know, stuff happens. But, yeah, this is 5 minutes long. Still, I'm recording this for a short period of time, and still, I love this camcorder. If you watch this, and I'd like to thank you for giving me the opportunity for giving this camcorder, Dad. It's awesome, so there you go. What I do with this is just, I pause the video. If I pause the video right now, it's just, it doesn't do a thing. Weird. Okay. Didn't let me. Okay, that's weird. Okay. I don't know what's happening right now, but that's just me. But you get the idea. So after 6 minutes of that, I finally gonna get ready to export my project. So there you go. But let's check my videos right now. Ooh, nifty. Anyway, what else I'm gonna do today is just that I'm gonna make Racist Jokes episode 50, and that's it for the rest of the day. So there you go. Anyways, guys, that wraps up this video. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next one, which is gonna be something very special for the new year. Recaps on Elgin 2020, sometime around December 31st of 2020. Coming away on my YouTube channel, plus some Jim Blair and Alex Beck tributes and happy retirement Mark Shields. I'm not sure, but first these box videos coming away on the 29th, the 30th on my main channel. But we'll see what happens. Until next time, so Joe's goodbye. Peace out, baby. Okay, let's just not do that anymore. We got more LJPCBM content for you guys very soon. Till then, Jump Sage out. See ya.